Oh, I'm right in the red. Caraway right in the red.
And unfortunately, we can't rule out some isolated tornadoes as far east as central Alabama,
Man,
Birmingham, Alabama, and as far south.
Pepper just got back from the groomers. Say hi, Pepper.
The system progresses its way toward the east, bringing with it strong storms to Mississippi and western Tennessee by 11 o'clock. Still seeing some showers and thunderstorms. And then into tomorrow morning, not quite as clear. This is 8 a.m. on Thursday. Some heavy thunderstorms.
Hey, Pepper. Come here. Come here, Pepper.
Including parts of southeast Louisiana. Now, speaking of Louisiana, Monroe, your greatest threats are actually going to be an isolated tornado or damaging wind. But we'll be watching for large hailstones.
Hey, Piper. What you doing, bud?
As we go into today on Thursday, this is that outlook of a marginal threat.
Pepper, you're not being recorded. The TV is being recorded. There she goes.
Watching more severe weather possibility from Houston to Charlotte, Dallas to nearly Tulsa. These locations there, they've already put out spread. For Friday, of course, this can really change. Keep checking up here on Weather Nation. But coming up next, it's going to be 50 past the hour. That means it's time for your West Regional forecast.
While small businesses are mobilizing, brand workplaces are leading the way. Whether it's wrangling the sun or keeping us fed, the Ram ProMaster City delivers. And with new safety features and security technology, the Ram ProMaster delivers safely.
Lows in the lower 50s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday, a 20% chance of showers in the afternoon.
Mr. Creeper, can you move?
Highs in the upper 60s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 40s. Wednesday, a chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 30%. Tornado watch number 75 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Jackson, Lawrence, Randolph, and Woodruff. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The flood warning is now in effect until further notice. The flood warning continues for the Black River and Black Rock
Let's move some stuff.
until further notice. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 13.7 feet.
Let's move
Flood
the
stage
stuff.
is 14.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river has temporarily dropped below flood stage, but is expected to rise back above flood stage early Friday morning and continue rising to a crest of 14.5 feet Friday evening. This rise back to flood stage will be caused by anticipated rainfall. Impact is 14.0 feet. Minor flooding begins. Farm ground along East Bank begins to flood. The flood warning is now in effect until Thursday, April 15th. The flood warning continues for the White River at Georgetown until Thursday, April 15th. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 21.4 feet. Flood stage is
Turn it down a
21.0
little.
feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 21.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday morning. Impact at 21.0 feet. Hurricane Lake Wildlife Management Area and Grass Creek bottoms inundated. Roads in the bottoms are flooded. The flood warning remains in effect. The flood warning continues for the White River at Augusta until further notice. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 31.6 feet. Flood stage is 26.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to remain steady at 31.6 feet through Saturday evening. Impact at 30.0
No message
feet.
yet.
Thousands of acres of farm ground flooded. County roads on both sides of the river are flooded, including County Road 871 and 899. The flood warning is now in effect until tomorrow evening.
Gotta wait for
The
an
flood warning
alert.
continues for the Mississippi River above Tiptonville until Thursday evening. At noon Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 37.7 feet.
Let's take a
Flood
nap.
stage is 37.0
So-
feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding
Oh
is
my.
forecast.
That was
Forecast.
scary.
The river is expected to rise to a crest of 37.8 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 39.0 feet in Tennessee. Water begins to go over Tiptonville Ferry Road, Bar Road, and the farmland east of the Tiptonville Ferry Road. The flood warning is now in effect until early Tuesday morning. The flood warning continues for the Mississippi River at Osceola until late Monday night. At noon Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 31.1 feet. Flood stage is 28.0 feet. Moderate flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at noon Central Daylight Time Wednesday was 31.1 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Impact at 31.0 feet in Tennessee. Nix Road is flooded. Major sections of 4 Mile Road are flooded. Snyder Bluff and Northern Sam Taylor roads are flooding. Sunk Lake Road is covered north of the lake. Fields on Morgan Point are flooding. The flood warning is now in effect until early Sunday afternoon. The flood warning continues for the Mississippi River at Caruthersville until Sunday afternoon. At noon Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 34.7 feet. Flood stage is 32.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 34.7 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday afternoon. Impact at 35.0 feet. Grounds of the Riverboat Factory north of Caruthersville, Missouri are flooding. Parked on riverbank at Caruthersville is beginning to go underwater. In Tennessee, Bar Road is under 2 feet of water in places and evacuations are very difficult. Most unprotected farmland near the river and portions of Highway 104 in western Dyer County are impacted. This is a wind advisory for the following counties in Arkansas: Clay, Craighead, Crittenden, Cross, Greene, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and the following counties in Missouri: Dunklin and Temescott. Wind advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? South winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of North Mississippi, West Tennessee, East Arkansas, and Southeast Missouri. When? Until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. High-profile vehicles should use extra caution. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The current time is 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. at Jonesboro, heavy rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 67 degrees. The dew point was 64, making the relative humidity 90%. The wind was southwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 33 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.72 inches and rising. At Blytheville, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees. The dew point was 56, making the relative humidity 48%. The wind was south at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 29 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.70 inches and falling. At Walnut Ridge, light rain was falling and the temperature was 66 degrees. Elsewhere around the region: Batesville, fog and 66. Little Rock, cloudy and 66. Memphis, cloudy and 75.
I think Piper wants that.
Dyersburg, the temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative
Yep,
humidity 53%.
I hear her collar jingling.
The wind was south at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.73 inches and falling. Cape Girardeau, mostly sunny and 77. Poplar Bluff, light rain and 71. Once again, at Jonesboro, heavy rain and fog were reported and the temperature was 67 degrees. Here is the forecast for the Jonesboro Weather Radio listening area. Wind advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, windy. Cloudy with showers and thunderstorms early in the evening. Then cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the evening. Mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to near 30 miles an hour, decreasing to 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 80%. Thursday, breezy, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to near 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny in the morning, then partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with higher gusts. Friday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear.
Right here.
Lows in the lower 50s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday, a 20% chance of showers in the afternoon. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 40s. Wednesday, a chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Partly sunny.
There.
Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 30%. Tornado watch number 75 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Jackson, Lawrence, Randolph, and Woodruff. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for central Craighead County in eastern Arkansas until 9 p.m.
What?
Central Daylight Time.
The central part of my county? I live in the southeastern part of county.
Roads in Jonesboro that have water covering parts of them.
Huh. Seems like Jonesboro.
Cause urban and small stream flooding. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have
Wow.
fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jonesboro, Valley View, Apps, Gilkerson, Fortville, and Craighead Forest Park. The flood warning is now in effect until further notice.
Huh.
The flood warning continues for the Black River and Black Rock.
That seems interesting.
At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Wednesday, the stage was 13.7 feet.
Wow.
Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river has temporarily dropped below flood stage.
Flood advisory. I don't know. Urban and small creek flood advisory. That's what it said.
14.5 feet Friday.
I think so.
This rise back to flood stage will be caused by anticipated rainfall. Impact at 14.0
No.
feet. Minor flooding begins. Farm ground along East Bank begins to flood. The flood warning is now in effect until Thursday, April 15th. The flood warning continues for the White River at Georgetown until
We better stop recording.
Wednesday